Today we're going to look in our Vigil fire safety storage box. As you can see, it's a box. It's made of very, very strong polypropylene. Made in Europe, made in Italy, and quick and easy to open. Flips open. These are very strong. You can see the way it's manufactured. That lid is very strong. Dakin, one of the biggest makers in Europe, very, very modern factory, very modern techniques. Over here you've got recycling, the date, when it was made, everything like that, everything you need to know. They're thoroughly tested. They do drop tests where they drop the entire box from a height to make sure that they survive, and I've seen them, they just bounce. They're very, very clever. They also then drop heavy weights on top of them. Again, the weights just bounce off. They will survive low temperatures, so it can be used in extreme cold. They will survive high temperatures where they're made, is very hot in Italy, and they have handles on the sides, they can be lifted. Now, what you put in them, we generally are a fire safety provider, so fire extinguishers is the norm. As you can see here, we have 4 fire extinguishers, and you're thinking, oh, how big are they? So I'll take one out. These are all 6 litre or 6 kilogram size. It's not suitable for 9 litre or 9 kilogram. They would be too tall. But to be honest, the 6s are by far the most popular, and in Europe they use 6 litre, 6 kilogram everywhere. They also have the option of, this isn't fixed in, of an alarm. Now, we supply this separately, so you can pop it in. It's very simple. This is an STI mini theft stopper, and quite simply, it has, I haven't got the other half, this just sticks sticky pads on the inside, and you stick one bit there, the other bit on the top of the box, obviously when it joins together, like a window one. When opened, very loud alarm. This part is the bit that pulls out to stop it or to test it. Simple batteries, that is an option, very popular we find. These are good for campsites, for heliports, for offshore. The manufacturer actually calls it a sandbox and also supplies it in black and yellow and I think any custom colour. So you can fill it with sand or grit. You can put pretty much anything in, spill kits, everything. Very, very durable. Once you got that, that's going to survive for years. Parts not necessary, easy product. To find out more about it, find out the cost, very good value, just follow the links at the bottom.